Whether you have a fleet of 10 vehicles or 10,000 vehicles, Shell offers a trifecta of tools that combines telematics data with transaction data and maintenance data to boost the overall efficiency of your fleet.
Shell Telematics is one of our newer services that we've offered, and it's a very powerful tool which fleet managers can take this data that they have and bring it into actionable insights. And then when you take the telematics data and you add your fuel transaction data and your maintenance data, you really have a trifecta of tools to really hone in on the efficiency of your fleet. Whether you're operating 10 vehicles or you're operating 10,000 vehicles, this really is a powerful tool to make your job easier, to see information right at your fingertips, and then really act on it, whether it's to improve the safety of your drivers or lower the emissions of your vehicles, or even improve the, again, lower the cost of your vehicles.